guys, nice to see you. It is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to cook abalone braised. Me hope you will like it. The abalone soup tastes fresh and sweet, and the stewed yimi are delicious. Ingredients: yimi, cabbage, mushrooms, carrots, ginger, abalone, egg. Wash and cut cabbage into small pieces. And sliced carrots. Mushroom, remove stem and sliced. Sliced ginger. Beat egg until frothy. Place abalone into bowl. Stir-fry ginger slices until fragrant. Add mushroom and carrot sliced. One teaspoon chopped garlic. Add cabbage sliced. Season to taste. Seasoning: 1 teaspoon oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon chicken powder, 1 teaspoon soy sauce. Pour hot water. Add abalone sauce. Dark soy sauce to add color. Optional to add pepper powder. Pour egg liquid. Add yimi braised until noodle turns soften. Add abalone once yimi is softened. Abalone braised yimi is done. Smells so good. Just stir fry the abalone a few times. If you cook canned abalone for too long, the meat will become stale and lose all its flavor. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can, please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. Cabbage is the well-deserved king of vegetables. Eating it regularly has 7 benefits for the human body. 1. Enhance immunity. 2. Anti-aging. 3. Strengthen bones. 4. Prevent and treat gastric ulcers. 5. Promote fetal development. 6. Reduce the risk of cancer. 7. Promote defecation. The therapeutic effects of abalone include regulating menstruation and moisturizing the intestines. In addition, abalone also has the effects of regulating menstruation, moistening dryness, and improving the intestines, and is suitable for patients with irregular menstruation and constipation. Promote growth and development. Abalone is rich in vitamins, especially vitamin A. Patients and those with high uric acid should not eat abalone meat and should only drink a small amount of soup. Although everyone loves to eat abalone, people with colds, fever, or sore throat due to yin deficiency should not eat it. People with chronic ringworm and chronic diseases should not eat it. There are 2,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. There are more delicious easy recipes in my channel. Do check them all. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.